This grass is so dead. He's going to have to get his cut before the town takes him out. Citations for not maintaining it. I don't know if he wants Uncle Rob to cut it.
Trying to get his trooper card.